Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flickr Brain. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get organic traffic in 2025. And mind you, if you want to build a website and get it approved by Adsense, pay attention. This tutorial will save you a lot. Okay? Now, before that, let me show you guys an Adsense account I'm working on. This Adsense account has a lot of organic traffic coming in. And I also want to share with you guys the secrets of the organic traffic that is coming in on this site. Okay, now you can see on this dashboard, you can see how much that has been generated on this site, and you can see what we have generated on the site for today so far. This side, the majority of the traffic coming in here, like you can see here now, this can be like up to 1.5 now is organic traffic. But this site now is not like any random site like insurance or any site that you can just write an articles about food or all this. This site now is like a calculator site. It calculates based on interest rates, calculate on finance, calculate on loan, calculate on currencies. And I'll show you guys a lot of example on that. Okay, so for instance now, a normal user that comes to the search bar, we search for something like, okay, how to make money, you're going to definitely get an AI response. That's why it's difficult for us to make money organically through AdSense these days. But now, it's not everything that AI is occupied with. Now you can see something like this. Now if you come here and calculate something like calculate interest rates, many people search for this thing often. You can see over here now, interest rate calculator. You can see there are a lot of sites that does this, and these people are earning a lot of organic traffic daily. Is coming in on these websites. Now I'll show you guys a lot of websites like this. The reason I'm not going to show you this particular website is because of privacy for the owner. Okay, so if you come over here now, you will see some sites like this that are also making money with with AdSense on their sites. Okay, you can see this site allmaths.com. Now this site now does a lot of things. You can see mass redo, you can see 5-number summary, you can see age calculator, you can see a lot of things. It does a lot of calculations, and you can create this type of sites free with AI tools. There are a lot of AI tools that you can use to create this type of websites, which I'm going to be teaching you guys in my next video. There are a lot of tools you can use to create this type of websites, and for free. And even the ones that are premium, they are not even costly. They're not that expensive. You can see that here, this is Google Ads. With this, if you're working on these days, if you're working on 2025, you know that if you're working with loading and you open a new AdSense account and you use loading to work on that site, you're going to get ad limits. For new AdSense account to work perfectly with loading, it has to have a little bit of organic traffic. That's why I normally emphasize on I need a site that has organic traffic, because with a site that have organic traffic, you can load huge amount of money and it will come out. It will come out no matter the amount of organic traffic that site has. Okay, so let me show you other sites and another example. Something like this moneychimp.com. You can see this website too. You can see, if you come over here and see, you can see income tax calculator. You can even calculate your income here. You can see that there are also ads like that, measured to that kind of thing. And this type of ads now have high CPC. That's why you can see that the CPC here is high. You can see the CPC is high of these sites. So if you want to create a website, I advise you create this type of websites and make use of your keywords very well, because they will help you a lot. Even if you're getting traffic like 300, 200 daily, it's perfect. So if you want to learn how to create this type of websites, stay tuned for my next tutorial. And if you're interested in this method, click on the link in the description box for more inquiries.